Here's the recipe for fresh salmon farfalle, a creamy and tasty dish that marries pasta with the delicate flavor of fish. Ingredients: 320 grams farfalle pasta, 200 grams of fresh salmon, 200 milliliters of cooking cream, half an onion, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, a sprig of dill, optional, lemon juice, also optional. Place a pot with plenty of salted water on the stove to cook the pasta. In the meantime, dice the salmon into cubes of about 1 or 2 centimeters. Thinly slice the half onion. In a non-stick pan, heat a drizzle of oil and gently sauté the onion until it becomes translucent. Add the salmon cubes to the pan and cook over medium heat until the fish changes color. Deglaze with a bit of lemon juice if you wish to enhance the flavor. Add the cream, a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook over low heat for a few minutes until you obtain a light cream. If you like, also add some chopped dill. Once the water boils, cook the bow-tie pasta al dente, following the times indicated on the package. Drain the pasta al dente and transfer it to the pan with the salmon and cream. Stir well to combine the ingredients. To always stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Serve the fresh salmon bow ties hot, adding a touch of freshly ground black pepper and, if you like, a sprinkle of fresh dill. Salmon is an extremely versatile fish, featured in numerous international cuisine recipes. In Italy, the preparation of salmon with pasta has become a classic, often enriched with fresh elements such as aromatic herbs or citrus touches. It's a dish that finds its origin in modern cooking, incorporating flavors that refer to different traditions and that blend well with the simplicity and authenticity typical of Italian cuisine.